Hello friends, in this video we will see another type of problem in alphabet test. Okay, so the problems are like this. Which letter is 6 to the left of 11th from left. Okay, so let's take another example. Which letter is 5th to the left of 20th from the left? Another problem of same type. Which letter is 21st to the left of 25th from left? Okay, so if you observe in all these questions, here is left of from left. Okay, left of from left. Here left of from left. Here also left of and from left. Okay, so let us take the first problem, that is which letter is 6th to the left of 11th from the left, right? So if A, B, C and so on, X, Y, Z is there. So if you are counting from here, so this is from left. Okay, I told in the previous videos also. If you are starting counting from Z towards to the A, it is called as from right counting. Okay, so here it is saying which letter is 6 to the left of 11th from the left. So to find the 6 to the left of 11th, first we have to find the 11th from the left. So that means from here we have to find the 11th by using EJOTY rule. E is the 5, right? So J is the 10. So that means we have to find the 11th from the left. So if J is the 10th, then K is the 11th. Okay, so then if K is there, then we have to find the left to the 6th, right? Left to the, I mean 6th of the left of the K. So let's write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, so now we have to find the 6 to the left of the 11th. So this is the 11th one. Okay, so then 6 to this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is going to be how much? I mean that is going to be E. That is going to be E, right? So the answer for this question is E. So that means first we have to find the 11th from the left. So the 11th from the left is this much. Okay, so this is the 11th. Okay, 11. Again we have to find the 6th to the left hand. So that means from here we have to move back 6 places. We have to move back 6 places, right? We have to move back 6 places. Okay, from here to here, from left we moved 11 positions, and from the left to the left we moved 6 positions. Okay, so then if you subtract this 6 from the 11, you will get 5. You will get 5. So the fifth letter is the answer. The fifth letter is what? E. E is the answer to this question, right? So whichever letter is the 6th to the left of the 11th from the left. First we have to find the 11th from the left. So that is what? K. And then 6 to the left of that one. So that means we have to move 6 positions backward. That is J, I, H, G, F, E. So E is our answer. So without doing all this, so what we do? From the left to 11th, right? So from this 11 we subtract this 6. Why we are subtracting? First we are moving 11 positions from A to K, and after that we are moving 6 positions back. So if you subtract 6 minus 11, I mean 11 minus 6, you will get 5th. So the 5th letter is the answer. So that is E. So now let's solve the second question based on this. Which letter is 5th to the left of the 20th from the left? So that means 20 positions from left we are moving. So we know that 20th is what? T. 20th is T. So again 5th to the left of this one. So that means again we are moving 5 positions back, right? So this is moving in this direction, this is moving in this direction. So that means we have to subtract this 5 from the 20. So what we will get? We will get 15. We will get 15. So that means which letter is the fifth to the left of the 20th from the left? 15. So we know that O is the 15th one. We know that O is the 15th, right? So that means for this one, the answer is O. For this, the answer is O, right? So in the same manner, which letter is 21st to the left of 25th from the left? So first find the 25th from the left. So let us assume we move from A to 25th here, right? So again 21st to the left of 25th. So that means it is here. The left means again we have to move this direction, right? So again in this direction we move 21st, 21, right? So which letter is 21st to the left of the 25th? Again this is the right side of the 25th. This is the left side. So we move 21 positions left because it is asked to 21st to the left of the 25th. So again this one is 25, okay, in this direction, and this in this direction we move 21. So if you subtract 25 minus 21, we will get 4. So that means fourth letter is the answer to the third question. What is the fourth letter? E is 5, so D is 4. So for this one the answer is D. Okay, so whenever you see left and left, simply what you do, you subtract these two positions, subtract the positions, right? So 11 minus 6, here you get 5, so that is E. 20 minus 5, so that is 15, 15th is the O. So 25 minus 21, 4, 4 is the what? D. Okay, what is what? D. So this is the way to solve the alphabet test problems when there is a left and left is there in the question. So I hope you got this one. So if you have any doubt, please leave a comment, and thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.